is your chef and welcome to our channel. I'm Tum, Ghar ka chef. So without wasting much time, let's find out what's there in the menu today. Today we are going to prepare masala paneer. So let's start with processing the paneer first.
Here we have taken 1.5 cup of water in a small bowl and mixed 1 tablespoon of green chili paste and half tablespoon of salt in it. Mix it well and add the paneer pieces.
We have taken 300 grams of paneer for this recipe.
After 20 minutes, we will take out the paneer pieces and keep them in a dry place for another 15 to 20 minutes so that maximum water gets dried out.
As you can see, we have dried the paneer pieces for 20 minutes. So we have completed our first step. Now let's see what are the other ingredients which we need.
For preparing this delicious masala paneer, we have taken 2 medium-sized onion paste, 2 tablespoons of ginger paste, 4 tablespoons of yogurt,
Turmeric powder, coriander powder, cumin powder, Kashmiri mirch powder, all 2 tablespoons each.
Green chili as per taste, 1 bay leaf and whole garam masala. Let's start the cooking process. First we will pour 4 tablespoons of mustard oil in the cooking pan. Heat the oil for few seconds. Then we will put the paneer pieces in it.
We will shallow fry the paneer only for a couple of minutes, making sure the paneer stays in its own color. Don't stir the paneer much as the paneer pieces might break. As you can see, our paneer is shallow fried.
Now we will pour some more mustard oil in the pan and let the oil gets heated for few seconds.
Then we will add the whole garam masala and the bay leaf and stir it for a few seconds.
Add the onion paste and cook it at least for 2 minutes.
Meanwhile, as the onion is getting cooked, we will make a paste of all the masalas together by mixing them in a little bit of water. This process certainly gives an enhancement in taste. As you can see, the masala paste is ready. We will use it later.
Here you can see the onion is looking brown in color. Now we will add 2 tablespoons of ginger paste in it and saute it well. We will cook it for another couple of minutes in medium flame and add the masala paste to it. Saute it well and cook for 3 to 4 minutes in medium flame.
After 3 to 4 minutes of cooking, now we will add 4 tablespoons of yogurt, salt and sugar as per taste and saute it for another 2 minutes.
Add half cup of lukewarm water.
Cook the masala for 1 to 2 minutes and make sure that all the cooking is done in medium flame. Now the masala is ready. We will add the paneer pieces in it.
Add green chilies as per taste. Here I have added 2 green chilies. Now saute it well.
We have cooked the paneer with the masala for 2 to 3 minutes. Now we will add 1 cup of lukewarm water.
Cook it for 2 minutes and then cover the pan and leave it for another 5 to 6 minutes.
After 5 minutes, we will open the cover and our masala paneer is ready.
For garnishing, we can add some fresh coriander leaves.
The texture of the gravy is looking really nice. Our masala paneer is ready to serve.
Friends, if you like the recipe, then share the video with your family and friends. Press the like button, and for more such recipes, hit the subscribe button and don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you.